Hey guys, so this video is actually about a business where no one is talking about it. So it's about aquarium maintenance company that if you offer aquarium maintenance in any city or state and you're looking for more subscriptions and more monthly contracts of the homes, offices, schools, warehouses where you want a contract on monthly basis, like more people should contact you for your aquarium maintenance services. So that's how we can tell you and we can explain you that how you can do it, or if you want someone, then you can hire someone in the market or you can hire us because we are already generating crazy own fresh leads for aquarium maintenance companies on a daily basis. So if, for example, if you are offering services like aquarium maintenance, aquarium repair, aquarium relocation, termite tenting protection, and stuff like that, so you can generate crazy leads and appointments every day. Okay, like for example aquarium relocation, because of course I am checking it in here because we are also running ads. So aquarium maintenance, custom aquariums, aquarium relocations, termite tenting protection, bacterial protection, water changing, overall service, okay, aquarium protection, custom aquariums, aquarium moving, everything related to aquarium. If you offer everything related to aquarium service and maintenance, we can help you out. Let me tell you how it works. So we are working with aquarium maintenance companies and we are getting like approximately 2 or 3 leads a day of the people who are looking for a reliable aquarium company. So what we do is that we run Facebook ads and we target the people who are looking for you for aquarium maintenance, aquarium repairs, aquarium relocations, aquarium protection, custom aquariums. So we are having already that kind of companies and we are helping them to get more leads and of course they get more contracts because actually not a lot of aquarium companies market this business and that's why they don't grow. But you have a lot of capacity because first of all there is no saturation. Secondly, not every business market that. So you don't have too many people to compete with. Your cost per lead, super low. The cost per customer, the quality of the customer is super high. So if you run an aquarium maintenance company, we can generate you crazy leads and appointments every day. What we do is that actually we drive traffic to your WhatsApp. Okay. So you get their name and number, and then you have to call them, listen to them that what, for example, a homeowner is looking for a monthly aquarium maintenance for like 199 or 399, okay, whatever your price is. So when they call you or you call them, so you have to tell them that what makes you different from other competitors and from other companies. If they like what you are doing, and if you are really different from the companies, then of course the contract is all yours. Okay. So how F16 Media can help you is to help you generating more aquarium maintenance leads, more aquarium repair leads, more aquarium moving leads. Okay. And especially the main money game for you is like monthly maintenance contracts. Yeah. Our main target for our current client is to get you monthly maintenance contracts, so we can help you out. So if you are looking for minimum 100 pre-qualified leads of the people looking for aquarium maintenance in next 30 days, and you want us to help you out, you can visit our website www.f16media.agency, or in the description you can find out our all social links of booking a call with us, WhatsApp us, call us, me- message us on Messenger, Facebook, Instagram. So you can contact us directly. You can tell us that what we are looking for, and we can get you started with our hot strategy. Yes, no one is talking about this on YouTube. We are because we are already helping aquarium companies with their client acquisition and lead generation. So hoping to see you on the other side and giving you the best lead generation for your aquarium company. Thanks for watching and do subscribe and like if you really found a value in this. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.